ako sa RFA and I'm with Mr. Fernan. Siya yung retail manager in interior design. Mr. Fernan, what can you say about RFA?
It's a family business. Tapos we specialize in mga customized furniture.
Customized furniture.
Pero meron din kami mga special design pieces na exclusive na
Okay. So lahat na nandito, kayo nag-design ng furniture. So galing! Yung sa, ano yung mga specialty?
ang specialty namin is first online.
Dining tables. Bakit?
They are more impactful compared sa other businesses.
How long have you been here in the business?
Furniture manufacturing ever since before I started.
So,
I'm already 25,
25.
around more than 30 years.
30 years na sila nandito sa business. Paano siya nag-start?
It started way back sa father.
Father. Your father is it?
Before siya, first level. Then he started to get his clients, tapos
Ang galing naman. What can we expect about your shop? Ano yung madalas puntahan sa inyo ng mga tao?
sa amin, papalingkod sila sa
Sa dining set. Actually, ang ganda ng setup ng bed nila, di ba? And the headboard. So, usually, magkano yung price range?
price range namin varies
Design.
and the design material.
Okay.
For example,
For this is,
around
for the full set mo, 45,000 for the full set. Pwede na, di ba? Pag magpapa-customize kami, usually, how long will it take?
40. Standard manufacturing time is 5 to 6 months.
5 to 6 weeks lang. So usually, sino yung mga nagpupunta dito ng mga clients mo? Company or yung mga
We have clients na mga design firms.
design firms?
Design firms
Design firms.
na meron silang mga clients specific requirements. Then, manufacturing. Tapos, most naman yung mga homeowners na for example, may building na may condominium area.
Yes.
Kasi yun, magdadagsahan mo. Like, when one family was rented, we got like 6 bucks.
If ever, kunyari ako, meron akong custom design, pwede ko bang pagawa sa inyo?
Possible.
Possible.
Give here. Tapos, if you a design na suitable with this space, then,
May mga ano kayo, social media accounts for the viewers to follow. Facebook account. Ano yung Facebook?
it's RFA Furniture and
So yung RFA Furniture Interior sa Facebook account. I'll just put their links down below kung saan yung sila mag-visit. But if ever, gusto silang bisitahin, nandito sila sa second floor ng Building A, Building C ng Tiendesitas. Actually, in front lang siya ng escalator. So, thank you so much, Mr. Fernandez. Candy lovers, I'm here sa Abstract, sa Orthologist. I'm with Miss Bambi De Castro. She's the owner of this shop. So, interviewing ko siya regarding about her shop. So, Miss Bambi, what can you say about this Orthologist?
Well, the Archaeologist is 3 years old. We've been in the business since 2013. We started in Green Hills.
Green.
Yes, our first gallery was located on Eisenhower Street. Eisenhower Street in Green Hills. And then we expanded here in Tiendesitas. We've been here since April. Pero you can find us in different places also.
May mga ibang branches.
Not necessarily branches, but we exhibit in different places. Like the jewelry in Green Hills, we have an exhibit there now. Sometimes you can find us in Century Mall. Meron kaming art workshops for kids in our art gallery on Xavier Street. Right now, yun na yung aming main branch.
Sa senior.
Yes, we expanded to a bigger location. It's on 81 Xavier Street, right across Xavier School.
Or, bakit nyo napili itong klaseng business?
He was actually my husband, who was a love for art. Since the 90s, he was still in his 20s, exposed siya sa art.
Is he an artist? Painter?
No, he's not an artist. He used to be a model, commercial model. And we got exposed to art. Tapos naging art lover siya. In early 2000, we moved to Las Vegas. But he was not able to pursue art there. Ang naging business namin is actually furniture. Contemporary furniture. We imported from Cebu and then we distributed actually worldwide kasi we were a distributor in Las Vegas.
What made you decide na from furniture to arts, collecting paintings?
Well, we moved back late in 2012 and ito talaga yung passion niya eh. He wanted to pursue, so he reached out to all his friends again, to all his contacts, and he started selling art. Tapos yun, right now we have 2 branches now. The one on Xavier Street, where we also offer art workshops and exhibits twice every month. And here in Campus Citas, and again, plus our exhibits in different places. Sometimes sa ABS-CBN,
So what can we expect from your shop? Bakit kayo pinupuntahan ng mga tao?
Well, we promote the emerging artists.
Emerging
Contemporary artists. We're in
Locals?
Locals, yes. We're having mid-career artists like sila Renato Temor, yung emerging namin sila Karen Dabano, Picadizo, we have Adam Shinsen of PNC, we also have Chipolanos, Eman Santos, mid-career na rin siya. So, people like the look, contemporary, anything today, and we have abstract and happy gallery. So, it depends on yung klaseng art na yung hanap mo. Gusto mo bang happy or gusto mo bang all abstract?
Actually, I was telling Raymond kanina na lahat ng mga paintings dito, ng mga arts, super ganda. Kasi
Thank
ako, fine arts ko dati. So, I used to be a painter before. So, na-appreciate ko lahat. Kasi super ganda talaga.
Well, thank
It
you.
makes me happy. Yun nga eh. It makes me happy.
Dapat dun tayo sa happy art.
Oo, diba? Can you invite our viewers na pumunta sila dito or sa inyong shop? Kung saan kayo matatagpuan?
Okay, well, we invite everyone to visit the Artologist Gallery, located here in Pendecitas. But you can see our name. It's gonna be Happy Art or Abstract Art. We're located on the 2nd floor of Building C here in Pendecitas. Right, very, very near DIY as well.
May mga social media networks kayo for us to follow? Like Instagram, Facebook, website?
We have a Facebook account, The Artologist.
So I'll put their links down below if ever gusto nyo ma-check yung mga gawa nila and the links. So yun. Thank you so much, Miss Dan.
Thank you!